Hi guys, and this is a new tutorial about the TikTok app. Today we will show you how to hide liked videos on TikTok. So let's go to this app. As you can see, we are on our profile page, and if you want to hide this liked videos section on your account, if you want to make it visible only for you, so this video is for you. Repeat our settings and you can smoothly make these settings, this section private. So let's pick on these 3 lines shortcut at the top of the screen and go to the settings and privacy option at the bottom. Later you have to choose the privacy section here. And later let's swipe down the period list and tap on the liked videos option. On this customization list, you can smoothly adjust settings and control who can see, who can check your liked videos. So if you will tap on the dot beside the Only Me option, only you will be able to see your liked videos, and it will be disabled, it will be hide from others. So let's choose it and pick on the arrow to save changes. Don't forget to refresh the period, your profile, and as you can see, we have the period crossed circle near the heart here, which means that right now this section is private and no one can check it. As an example, we have the same option on our HardReset.Info channel. Oh, I'm sorry, I just only want to turn off. No problem. Okay, so right now we are on our channel and we have the same option here. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, of course, on TikTok and on YouTube, to find out more interesting tricks about TikTok and other cool apps. Good luck! Bye bye!